Opel has introduced a new engine version on the Cascada convertible, the 170 PS, 168 HP, diesel that was recently added to the Insignia and Zafira Tourer. Replacing the 165 PS, 163 HP, engine, the new 2.0-liter 4-cylinder turbo diesel produces 170 PS, 168 HP, and 400 Nm, 295 lb-ft, from 1750 to 2500 rpm. Mated to a 6-speed manual transmission, it allows the Cascada to accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour, 62 mph, in 10.3 seconds and reach a top speed of 218 km per hour, 135 mph. Furthermore, the sprint from 80 to 120 km per hour, 50 to 75 mph, in 5th gear takes 9.3 seconds, making the Cascada 0.7 seconds faster than with the previous engine. Despite producing 3% more power and 14% more torque, the engine is 6% more fuel efficient, averaging 4.9 L/100 km, 57.6 mpg UK or 48 mpg US. CO2 emissions are 129 g/km. In addition to the new engine, the Opel Cascada gets 3 new colors, True Blue, Rocky Coast and Coconut. Furthermore, the convertible will be available from late summer with the Opel OnStar Personal Connectivity and Service Assistant, which offers a built-in 4G LTE connection that enables mobile data speeds up to 10 times faster than with 3G technologies. Thanks to a powerful Wi-Fi hotspot, up to 7 mobile devices can be connected to the system simultaneously. Pricing for the Opel Cascada with the new 2.0 CDTI engine starts from €30,500 in Germany, including VAT.